In this video, we're going to be talking about the rotating unbalanced vibration in a controller. We'll be going over how a controller vibrates and the components inside of the controller that help to make it vibrate. Here we have a controller that has been opened, so you can see the internals of the controller themselves. A few screws in the back and it opens. So as you can see here by the circled images on the bottom left and right of the screen, there are two rumble packs that allow the controller to vibrate when things happen in games such as running, walking, and or driving vehicles. As you can see here, we have two rumble packs. They are both rotating servos. On each rumble pack they have a half circle mass, one large mass and one small mass, and these masses spin along the axis of that rod. This allows for the mass unbalance to create a vibration which can be used in order to vibrate the controller. This can be done both heavily and weakly. The large servo is used for heavy vibrations, while the smaller servo and mass is used for more subtle vibrations. We have a video to show you demonstrating the vibration of the controller when laid on a desk. As you can see in the previous two videos, the controller vibrates using the rumble packs located inside of the controller. These rumble packs spin and cause a force vibration in the controller, therefore causing it to vibrate and move along the table as it vibrates. The vibration caused by the rumble packs in the controller is a good thing because it allows the player to have a controllable feedback when doing in-game things. On the other end of the spectrum, there are mass unbalances which are unnecessary and make things more difficult to use, such as vehicles. Next, we'll be going over the rotating unbalance in a car wheel. Now, in a car wheel, you want to have the least amount of unbalance as possible. You want to have it to be completely balanced so that the ride of the vehicle is very smooth when you're on a smooth and flat road. In order to have a perfectly balanced tire, counterweights are used in order to correct any imbalances in the tire. Now in this photo you can see a clip-on counterweight, which is circled in red. Now this is used again to correct any imbalances in the tire. Another more common method of balancing a tire is using an adhesive weight to counteract any imbalances caused by the manufacturing of the tire and or any imperfections in the tire. In addition to a balanced tire, a spring and damper system is used and is usually referred to as a coilover system. Now this system is used in order to counteract any imperfections in the road. The way that the system works is the springs absorb any imperfections in the road and the dampers reduce the amount that the spring compresses and or expands. If the suspension just had a spring and no damper, when going over a bump, the car would shake endlessly without coming back to a equilibrium state. The combination of a balanced wheel along with a spring and damper coilover system allows for a very smooth driving experience. Thank you so much for watching.